Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to add a zipper to a pillowcase to take it from this to this without sewing, so let's get started. Start by placing your pillowcase out on a flat surface. Lay your zipper out along the pillowcase and grab your ruler. Measure 2 inches along your zipper from the end of the pillowcase and cut the excess zipper off. Next, grab your speed sew and a Q-tip and place some glue on the end of the zipper to prevent it from running off the track, and let that dry until the glue is no longer white. On the other end of the zipper, cut off the excess material and use a lighter to seal the edges to prevent them from fraying. Now turn your zipper teeth facing down and line up the end of the zipper to the inside edge and pin it to stay in place. And notice which side of the zipper I pinned first. Continue to pin the zipper down all the way around. Once the zipper is completely pinned down, there should only be a small space in between the two ends, and the other end of the zipper shouldn't be twisted. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for a precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Start by taking out half the pins on one side of the zipper and apply an even layer of glue to the zipper, avoiding getting too close to the zipper teeth. Once that is all done, apply even pressure to where you glued and gently repin the zipper down. Then repeat on the second half and on the other side of the zipper. Let the glue dry for at least half an hour, and then you can remove all the pins and push the end of the zipper in. And just like that, you added a zipper to your pillowcase without sewing using speedsew fabric glue. Thanks for watching!